Hi friends! Welcome back to another episode of the Mr. Music Man Show. On today's episode, we will be learning about a new instrument from a different part of the world. I'm also going to teach you how to make this instrument at home for yourself. Alright, let's get started with the song, The Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Itsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Okay, alright, you stand next to the spider. It's your time. That spider is creeping me out. He's got the 8 legs and the really funny looking eyes. I don't know if he's looking at me or looking at you. So you stand over there.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
And now it's time for awesome music stuff.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Around the World with Shay. Today we have a new special instrument that we will be learning about. The origin of this instrument is unknown, however, it is believed to have come from the continent of South America. This instrument is believed to have been played in not only South America, but here in the United States of America as well, by Native Americans that lived in the southwest parts of the United States. This instrument is played by indigenous people, Native Americans, and tribes all around the world. This instrument is the rain stick. Can you say rain stick? Very good.
Rain stick.
Mr. Music Man, word of the day.
Rain stick.
Many indigenous people that live in arid climates play this instrument to help summon rain. When you listen to it, it sounds just like rain. Instrument is usually made out of cactus. Cactus is a very common plant in deserts. To make this instrument, you take the cactus reed and hammer in the needles to the inside of the stick. All of the needles on the inside create a barrier for the rocks and or beans, dry beans, that are placed on the inside. When you move it and the rocks or beans fall, they hit all of the needles from the cactus and create the sound of rain. people. Do you know why rain is so important to us? Yes, because rain helps plants and vegetables and fruits to grow. We love to eat vegetables and fruits because they help to make us really strong and big, right? The rain stick is considered to be a percussion instrument, just like the drums, the maracas, and the piano. When you play the rain stick, you can play it by slowly tilting it down, and you can tilt it back the other way. Or you can shake it. Alright, it's time for us to make our own rain sticks. Are you ready to learn how you can make a rain stick at home? Alright, let's go!
We interrupt Awesome Music Stuff to bring you this important message. And now back to Awesome Music Stuff, before we were so rudely interrupted.
All right, let's get started with the supplies you'll need for your rain stick. First, we'll need construction paper. We will also need a paper towel tube, a sheet of aluminum foil, and some grains of rice, or you can use popcorn kernels or something similar to fill our rain stick with. We will also need scissors, tape, 2 rubber bands, and markers for decorating. The first thing you want to do is decorate your sheet of paper to cover your rain stick. You can decorate it with whatever you want. Then you're going to take your decorated sheet of paper and use tape to attach it to the paper towel tube. I used at least 3 pieces of tape to attach mine. Once your sheet of paper is attached, you may now begin rolling it around the paper towel tube. After you roll it around, now you're going to want to take the other end. Now we need to make the ends of our rain stick. Take your tube, place it on your construction paper, and draw a large circle around the tube. Fold the in half, and then take the scissors to cut out the circle. You can have mommy or daddy help you with this part. Now take the sheet of paper and secure it to the end of your rain stick with a rubber band. This will hold it in place. We're going to do the same thing for the other side of our rain stick. This circle will attach to the other end, but not yet. We need to create the filling. You're going to take your aluminum foil and roll it up in a long tube. Then you're going to take it and bend it in half and start to twist it into a spiral. Take your aluminum foil and stuff it to the inside of your rain stick. Now take your grains of rice or whatever you chose to fill your rain stick with and place it on the inside. Now secure the other end of your rain stick with a rubber band. Now you're ready to go make music. Enjoy! Wow, friends, you all did awesome today! Today we learned about the rain stick and how to make one for ourselves at home. Do you remember what our word of the day was? Yes, our word of the day was rain stick. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you next time. Bye, friends.